The snow falls slow.
I'm smelling Christmas candles. It doesn't even smell, but it's so I don't know. I just got home from quickly doing some shopping. I'm in a bit of a time crunch right now because my plan for today was to go shopping with the girls, which we did, so that's a check mark. And then I wanted to bake some cookies, and then we're quickly gonna go to a Christmas party, and then I'm leaving the Christmas party early to go to a massage. It's time to start baking some cookies. What I'm gonna make is snickerdoodle cookies with caramel apple like in the middle. I don't know how to explain it. It's gonna be really good. I saw it on TikTok and that's what inspired me. And then today when I was shopping, I was looking for like a Christmas plate for cookies, and I found two really cute ones that are like together. So I'm gonna put the cookies on those, we'll wrap it up, and then we'll bring it to the party. But let's get to baking some cookies.
Like a whispered word, lights twinkle bright like a dream unheard. A cocoa cup in my frozen hand.
I have the first batch in the oven, and I think we're making good timing, so I want to show you the plate first. They're like this, and then there's two. Aren't these so cute? So I think I'm gonna bring all the cookies on this big one and then just like wrap them in foil. I got them today and I'm obsessed with them. I think they're so cute. I'm going to quickly make the second batch, and then I'm gonna make the sauce.
This winter magic.
I'm about to rush out to leave, and I just tried a bite. They're so good, and I didn't even have half of the ingredients. Like half of the ingredients, I went to multiple different stores. I could not find them anywhere, and they still turned out amazing. Anyway, I'm all dressed and ready. I just changed into this Creamy Fabrics bodysuit. Those are my pants. I'm gonna put all the cookies on the plate, and then we're going.
It understands. Oh, Christmas. Oh, Christmas.
Good evening. It's December 9th tonight, and we have some catching up to do. Actually, I want to sit in the living room with the Christmas tree. Okay, cute. Wait, this is like a cozy little chit chat we're having. Sunday was so fun. It was such a crazy busy day, and I honestly felt like I was running around all of Amsterdam the entire day, but it was so fun. I did end up leaving the Christmas get together early, and I went and got a massage. It was insane. I got my organs massaged. Like I got a stomach massage. Well, I honestly got like a full body massage, and we did sound healing, but it was mainly to like for the masseuse to practice this like stomach massage where it literally massages your organs, and it was so insane and it was crazy, but it was so good and honestly so relaxing. It was just so amazing. And then I was able to make it back to the get together in time to go on the boat. So we went on the boat and did the like tour through the Canal light show that's happening in Amsterdam. It was a really cozy Sunday. Like I had so much fun, and shopping with the girls was so amazing, and it felt very Christmas vibe, which is exactly what I was hoping for. When we went shopping, I have to show you guys the one ornament that I did get. She's so cutie. Okay, let me show you. This is her. Is she not like the most gorgeous little ornament? I have to tell you like the background story for why I picked this little ballerina, and it's because growing up on our Christmas tree, like our family Christmas tree, my mom had all of the like Barbie ballerinas and just like little ballerinas like these and little princesses, and they were my favorite ornaments. And when I moved here last year, and it was my first Christmas not spending it with my family, which was a huge deal because my birthday is on Christmas. For anyone that knows me knows that, but in case you're new here, my birthday is on the 25th of December. Christmas and my birthday have always been such like a family thing, so it was a really big deal for me to not be with my family. So I of course wanted to at least honor the tradition of having these little ballerinas and just like my favorite ornaments, and me and my mom would always decorate the tree together. So I got her like a white Snow Queen one, and I brought that home for her last Christmas. And so this year, since it's my very first, like my own first Christmas tree, I really wanted to have my first ornament that I'm collecting mean something and be part of a tradition. So I got my very first little ballerina. And I think she's so perfect and she's so cute. And it's my one ornament for the tree. It's her tree. There's no other ornaments except like the icicles on there. Let's go hang her up. I feel like she dangles perfect right there. She's my one ornament. I love her. I adore her. And she is the start of many, many more. As you can tell, Christmas means a lot to me, that I'm like very deep in this. Last night, I had like half of the snickerdoodle cookie dough in the fridge because I honestly did not even follow the recipe from the video that I saw on TikTok. Anyway, so I had enough to make another batch last night. So I made some for me and Keenan, and I got new apples so that I could like fill them. You guys, now that I like actually could have a cookie to myself, like they're so good, unreal, and so easy to make. Kind of just bake with like a gut feeling. I don't really measure things, so whenever people ask me for recipes, I'm like, honestly, I don't know. I really feel like I'm feeling the Christmas spirit this year. Like I feel like so many little things have happened where I'm like, that's Christmas spirit right there. I've honestly taken today and spent the whole day editing. I'm gonna have my lounge campaign go live probably like now, and I've just been editing and cleaning the whole day. I deep cleaned the apartment, which felt so good after such a crazy and busy weekend, and I feel like I'm prepared for the week ahead. Keenan's on his way home from work, so I'm gonna probably start to make dinner soon. I think we're just gonna hang out for the rest of the night, just enjoy being in the living room. I just love sitting on the couch and editing in here just because the Christmas tree is here.
You still
Happy December 10th. I can't believe we're almost to mid-December already. It's going way too quick. I need it to slow down a little bit, but I just did my hair quickly. I hope it looks good. I can't really see the back, but I am getting ready for work right now and having a little bit too much fun doing my hair, so now I'm really in a time crunch for the makeup. Let's get the makeup done really quick.
feel my breath with your glow and charm and your sweet caress. Oh Christmas, oh Christmas, you light the sky, every wish on my lips, every twinkle while.
I don't know what is happening, but my powder is like, I don't know if you can see that, but that looks crazy. And I literally have to leave for work in 10 minutes. What do? I have to wash my face off. No, oh my gosh, this is so stressful. Okay, I actually don't think I have enough time to take off all my makeup and start over again. And it's just like the eye area that's doing it. So I honestly just kind of like rubbed off my whole eye area. I'm hoping, oh gosh, I can just like blend it to make it work. I have 5 minutes. I'm literally going to hustle to make my face somewhat okay for today. Wish me luck. I finished my makeup on the way here, and I put some glasses on to kind of cover it because it was just around my eyes, which I don't know why it was doing that. I feel like that stuff only happens when you're in a rush, but I got a Red Bull. I'm on the way to work. I'm making great timing, so I'll see you guys later tonight.
The fire crackles, it sings its tune under the glow of a silver moon. Scarves and laughter, the world feels whole. The frost bites gently but warms my soul. Candy canes and snowy lanes, jingling bells, the joy remains.
Those eye patches literally did wonders. Those are amazing. My under eyes really needed that today, so I'm very, very happy with the results of those. I'm also getting ready for work right now, but I wanted to show you, after doing the Black Friday campaign with Fabletics, they sent over some extra goodies, and I wanted to show you guys. First, it's their low impact workout top. I don't really have like pops of color like this, so I actually love when I can implement more pops of color into my closet. And then this one's a slightly different color, but it's wide-legged that are like form-fitting. I love these colors. I can't wait to try these on. They're so cute. I saw a hairstyle on Pinterest that I want to try to recreate today. I'm gonna try to do that really quick.
Every shadow wears a glow underneath the mistletoe. Oh Christmas, oh Christmas, you steal my breath with your glow and charm and your sweet caress. Oh Christmas, oh Christmas, You light the sky. Every wish on my lips, every twinkle while the world stands still in your tender hold. A story written in white and gold. Oh Christmas, oh Christmas, your spell won't fade. A timeless gift in snowfall serenade.
Thankfully, my makeup worked out today. Did not pill on me. I'm all ready for work. This is how the hairstyle turned out. It was just like a braid headband kind of vibe. Thank you guys so much for watching the third Vlogmas. I will see you guys in a few days for Vlogmas number 4. I've been loving doing Vlogmas. I hope you guys are enjoying the videos. I think this one might be my favorite so far. Definitely am going to be bringing you guys out and about in the city because I think those are my favorite to film for Vlogmas. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in a few days. Bye.